Hello everybody, this is Ubaida Omar, and today I'm going to talk about the big subject. Believe me, it's big subject for you. If you are a trader or if you are going to be a trader or if you are trading in forex and USD, euro coins or other type of coins and bitcoins and I will show you the best way, the best strategy. This is strategy, it's not new. Believe me, it's not new, but no one can explain this strategy for you better than me. And you will find that by real examples. I did two real examples for trading by my accounts, real account, and I will show you if I'm loser or if I'm a winner. Anyway, if you are beginner or if you are experts, or if you see this video and like it, please, if you like the videos, my video, make subscription and make like for video and give me some beautiful comments like happy birthday because today is my birthday and all do birthday party, but for me, I'm doing birthday video for you just to get money at home, at work, at any place. Anyway, let's we start and we will try to do this video not more long time. But please, coming with me step by step and understand what I say, follow me step by step and you will find what you want. Let's start. If you are beginner, it's good to understand the basics of trading, strategies, and candles, and you can find it in Google or YouTube. A lot of videos talking about that. After that, you can follow this way and get money without any tension. And I'm going to tell you something. I'm not expert. I'm not professional. I'm beginner like you. If you are beginner, I'm beginner like you. I try to understand how can I trade without losing. If you don't lose, you will not win. But if you don't learn by yourself, believe me, you will not win. I lost more money, a lot of money, but I found a way and I start using this way and get my profit. As I told you, you can find a lot of videos talking about this way, but if you find someone talking better than me about this way, please share that video with me so I will learn like you. I'm learner. I'm learner like you. Okay? Let's start and talking about the basics of my strategy, or it's not my strategy or of my video, a basic of this strategy. When we want to start, just we are talking about something. If you use MetaTrade 4 for trading or MetaTrade 5 or what is type of trading, it's no matter. Just you want to follow and understand the basics. Now I'm using two way, but I'm using my real account here in MetaTrade 4 and I'm using Trade Viewer for view the types of coins and the charts of market of coins. Okay, but this is no matter to use it. If you want to use it or if you want to use MetaTrade 4, it's your way, but follow my steps. The first step, now when you open the MetaTrade 4, for example, we have a lot of charts about coins markets. For me, I will do new one, okay? Just to show you how can we trade by my or by this strategy. Please, step by step follow me. For example, we are going to use the euro with USD. Okay? Now, this is the basic or the normal shape of or the normal profile for this chart for the market for your euro USD. So what we are going to do, if you want to follow this chart, this is your choice. But for me, I'm doing my own profile. How can you do that? Quickly, you are going to edit from right click and properties, then going and change what you want here. For example, I want the background white and the foreground for example blue, then grade, it's no matter to change, but I'm changing this for example for bull candle and bear candle. For bull candle we are using green, and for beer candle we are using red. And okay, are going to do okay. You can change what you want. I don't take more time for explain that, but I'm trying to show you when you are using good profile you can follow by good sense, and it will be good for your eyes. Okay, for example here you can see here, I'm sorry, for here you can see, and here, okay, then we can change, no need to change more, or we can change bar up by black and bar down by black also, or as you like. This is, then we are going to show candles here. This is my good shape or sorry, good profile for candles. This is Japanese candles. As I told you, you want to learn the basics. What the meaning of the green and red candles, and what is everyone took. A lot of types of candles, like a hammer candle and other types. Every type help you to understand this chart easier than before, easily. So it's good if you study about candles, for example, and other strategies, start talking about strategies and resistance areas and supported areas, and then. No need to explain more about that. I will image that you know the basics, okay, or little basics. So let's start. Now, we start for the first step, that we do the profile. After that, we are going to start using strategies. How can we do that? First thing, you are going to insert, then indicators. Then this is all of the strategies that you want. Look, a lot of strategies like MACD, like momentum, like moving average and Bollinger Bands and. But believe me, if you learn more strategies, you will be more confused. You are going to think, what is my best one and what I'm going to do, because it's happened to me. This is my mistake. When I use more strategies, I will be more confused. Man, try to make it simple as you can. As you can, try to make it simple. If you do it simple, you will get what you want. If you do it double trouble, you will get more trouble. So if you do it complex, you will get more trouble. So please follow. First thing, we are searching about Bollinger Band. From insert, then indicator, then trend, then Bollinger Band, then we use the same of defaults. Don't change anything, man. Maybe if you want to change, you can change the line, but for me, I don't want to change anything. Okay, this is the first step after, or the second step after changing the profile. The second step. The third step, we are talking now about the resistance and supported areas in this here. It's so important. If you don't understand this issue, believe me, you will never understand anything. You will never find the way or use this strategy. So let's go. It's to make it easy for you. Go insert and search about zigzag. You will find it in custom, I think. Yes, last one, zigzag. Added zigzag also. Don't change anything. Follow the default. Okay, this is the zigzag. What does zigzag do? Zigzag helps you for finding the places or the areas of resistance and supported areas. What is the meaning of resistance and supported areas? For example, I will give you quickly. This is place. You see, this is the top of candle. This is the toppest candle here. This is a place. It's the high value here, and here is the lowest value here, and here is the lowest value, and here is the lowest value. Here is the high value, and if you go here for also, you will find also the same. You find here, look, 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 look. Okay. After added zigzag, what is the meaning of supported and resistance areas? Now, this place, for example, if we go to the 1 minute frame, you know, here we find more frames like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, as you want. And here also the same. You will find the same here. Sorry, but here you will find the same because it's not in English, no problem. But you can find also from FX, you can find here all of strategy that I'm talking about in MetaTrade 4. But because I'm using MetaTrade 4, I'm trying to show you that and follow these steps here. You can do these steps also at any place of trading, any program. Okay, so after that, the resistance is most important thing to understand what the meaning of resistance places and supported places. For example, this is for 4 hours frame, okay? And when we do like this, we will show you something. Press this and this to fix it. Look here. You see other thing. You want to understand also other thing, the trend. What the meaning of trend? Before talking about the resistance places or supported places, the trend, it's mean market is going down or is going up. You want to find that. How? See here. This market from long frame or long period frame, this market is going down. When you draw here the line from the toppest places of candles, for example, like that, you see, this is trend line mean. You see, it's written here, trend line, 5460, anyway. This is trend line. This is show to you if the line or if the currency is going down or up. You want to buy or sell like that. Anyway, and other side, we want to remove it, okay? This is important. This is first thing. You are seeing here that this is trend showing to you that the market is going down. And the opposite, if the trend going up, like here, this is zigzag also show to you in short, for example here, in short or long as you want. Here, this is also trend. So zigzag, it's more trends, up, down, but it gives you the lowest and highest prices that reached. Okay, now we want number 4. So number first step, we would do profile if you want. Second step, we prepare or we added Bollinger Band, this, okay, without editing anything, defaults. Third step, we do or we add zigzag. Now fourth step, it's so important. We are going, for example, to 1 hour, okay? For me, I'm using 1 hour to go also and going down frame. 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15, 5, 1, like here. No need more. No need more, and will be more confused because this is trading will be so fast for you. I will show you that by real examples. 2 examples to show you that this is trading is going so fast. Okay? Anyway, as we said, the trend is talking about the market direction, but the resistant and supported places is talking about the prices, the places or the areas of a price that find support or resistant. If this area is resistant, that that's mean the currency or the price will not increase or try to resist this price to go down. If you find support area, that's mean this support area will resist the price to grow up. So now we are going to frame number or frame for 1 hour, and we want to draw the resistance area. The resistance area, like here, and resistance and supported area. So we go to insert and shape, rectangle, and do this. Look, this is the resistant area. The top places for price. You see, 1, 2, and you will find 3 here also. This is the top price is reached here also, it's reached here. This is the first thing. Second thing, this is the resistance area because when the price reach here, it's go down again. The second one, we want to also, shape, then triangle, and draw the supports, like here. Look, okay, this is support area. This is means that when the price reached here, it's grow up again. Here go down, here go up. That's mean this is support and this is resistance. Okay, this is the first step. We draw resistant and support areas for what? For the 1 hour frame. Now we can go to 30 minutes and find resistance area also. So if you go to 30 minutes, you will find this is resistant areas also. You see, here and here. And support area here. So we can draw line or we can draw area as you want. But for me, I think you can draw area and start to draw lines. It's easier than for you. Or area as you want, like here, for example. Okay? Or area as you want. But we can also insert, shape, rectangle, and draw area, small area. From here, yes. Here, look. And it's better to change the color Yes, change the color just to show this is trained for example, yellow for 30 minutes. Then we can go and draw again, insert, shape, rectangle, and draw. This is support area, and this is resistant area. If you see from here, this is resistant area. It's not perfect, but we are trying to do it perfect. Okay? Like that. This is resistant area. Okay? Yes. And we can increase it if you want. If you want to press on the center of the rectangle, so you can do it. Okay. This is for 1 hour frame. This is for 30 minutes. And we go to 15. We want to find support and resistance area for 15. If you see, you can, no need, just we find here, okay? This is resistant area and this is support area for 15. You see, support area for 15 frame the same of support area for 1 hour. So we go and just we can do rectangle here and do resistant area here. Okay, yes, for the top of zigzags. Yes, like that. And we want to change the color for example, this one. This is for 15. Okay, now we go to 5 minutes and we find the resistant area. Just to know, 5 minutes, the resistant area the same of, we said this is for 30 minutes. Okay, no need to draw again, but you have a new support area here or here. So we can draw here, shape, rectangle. See here, this line, like this. Okay, like this. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, and we can change the color. Sorry, I want to press on the center for the rectangle. It's so hard. No problem. Then we can change it for the orange, for example. Okay? And finally, we do resistance area for 1 minute. Lock for 1 minute. If you see in 1 minute, if you make lock, this is for 1 minute. You find resistant area here. You see, if you make this here, look, you find here resistant area. You need to increase the decrease the zoom out, so you can find here. So this is the resistance, sorry, yes, this is the resistant area, but if you put it or if you don't want to put for 1 minute, it's no matter because you are now collect more a lot of resistant and supported area. This is the main important issue for this strategy. Okay, now we are going to the best thing. Okay, what is it? As I told you, if you study about what I said before, it's good for you to understand this resistance areas and then okay, and it will be helpful for you. Now we are going to insert we are going to insert the famous inductor. Just let me think, where is it? For trend. No, for mm, yes, relative strength index, RSI. It's so important indicator. Believe me, it's so important indicator. You will find more videos talking about MACD like that, or momentum, or 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 moving average. Moving average is so important too. I will show you other thing to understand what I do. Okay, we add this and we add, sorry, we are going to, where is it? Yes, relative strength, this, and make the same, don't change. Okay, before we start talking about this RSI 14, we want to do something. We want to talk about the Bollinger Band because you don't understand what the meaning of Bollinger Band. I talked about zigzag, I talked about resistance and supported areas in trend. I talked about trend like this. This is trend going up, going down, like. Okay? And I'm talking about the Bollinger Band. It's so important indicator. Bollinger Band, it's talking about what? Just please understand that. This is places resistant, it is fixed places. This is fixed places. This is green, yellow, and brown, and then all of that is fixed places. Bollinger Band is showing to you three things. It's showing to you this. We do big frame just to understand what I'm going to do. Okay, zoom. Yes. Bollinger Band, and this we can do it like this also. Yes. Bollinger Band have three lines. Look, this is lines. It's talking about, this is resistant line, moving line. It is not stable. It is moving line. And this is supporting line. Also, it is moving line. So, this is fixed and this is not fixed. This is variable. This is fixed. It's important to understand that. It's so important. And this is the moving average. This is moving average. I will not explain what is the basics about this indicators because you can, as I told you, if you want to understand it, I don't want to make these videos more and more time, but if you want to talk about about all of things, I take maybe more than 2 hours. No need. Just understand the basics and study about Bollinger Band, study about resistance and support areas, and zigzag and RSI. My lovely indicator with Bollinger Band. So the strategy need two important indicators or three important indicators: Bollinger Band, zigzag, and RSI. Okay, now this is Bollinger Band. As I told you, this is a three lines supported variable line. It's a variable supported line. Resistant line, also variable. And this is talking about moving average. Okay, this is, now we are going to the neat how we can use it. Okay, after adding all the things, just we want to talk about the RSI. RSI, it's better to learn or to study about how RSI is going to work. But I will give you the net. No need to search more. You can if you want. RSI is talking about the value of buying and selling. You know, the market is have two things: buy and sell. If you sell in wrong place, you will lose your money. If you buy in wrong place, you will lose your money. If you sell with trend going, if the trend is going down, and if you are going to make trade for selling, you will win. And if you trend is going up, and if you do the trade for buying, you will win. This is will help you when you use or think when what is the best time to make a trade, and you want to buy or win, and when you close your order, what is the best time to close your order. Okay, now RSI, if it is from 0 to 100, this is like a percentage for the volume of buying and selling. Just to put in your brain, RSI, take the middle. For example, you can edit it. Sometimes I'm do it. Edit it. How? Just I want to add it here 50% and change the line for it like this and make this. Sorry, I'm sorry. No need like this and make the same. Okay, and here for 50%. Okay, 70-30. The most important thing to understand, if just I'm giving you the net for the inductor how is working. If the value of inductor, if you see here, this is the value of inductor. If the value of inductor, it's near for 70, that means the value of buying is too much. And it will be buying to the end of buying. And the market is going to go down for selling. And if the value of RSI is going to 30, that means the selling is going to explode. Okay, the selling will be finished and the buying will be start. So you will understand that when I will show you that. When I will show you two example, real example that I did today, just to know how it's working. Just I talked about the basics. Now we can go for the practical examples. Okay, so just to know, it's the most important value. If you see this line is going between 70 and 30, maybe we can say more, little down. That's mean the market is going between these two sides. And in 50, that's mean the market is the buying and selling is equal, approximately equal. But for 70, the top of buying, and for 30, the lowest of buying. And now, how can we use this RSI with my other, or sorry, with other indicators that we added, like zigzag or ringer band or important resistance and supported areas. Now, I will show you the first real video. Okay, I'm sorry, but I did it before just to show you how can we do it, but I didn't do it with voice, so I prepared it without voice just to show you how can we use it. Now, for example, now we start. Look, this video is talking about I'm doing trade. Look, I started. If you see, this is trading for Euro USD, and this is the RSI is 52. Okay, if the RSI is more than, just to know, if the RSI is more than 50, that means we are going to buy, as we said before. And if the RSI is going to 30, that means we are going to sell. So the selling is going more until 30, and buying is going more after 50 or over 50. So this is trading. Okay, it's actual trading. Look, the trading, if you see, it was in negative. Sorry, it was in negative. Okay, it was in negative, as we see, minus 11 euro, dollar. Now, I did frames, for all frames, I did resistant and supported areas with zigzag and with Bollinger Band. Okay, now see, minus 15. What is the important thing that you want to understand now? If the candles, if you see here, if the candles reach to the resistant area and reflected, you must understand this, reflected down or up. For example, in this example, that if you see here, the resistant area, the candles or the price didn't exceed this area. That means a lot of resistance in this place. So don't try to buy here. You must wait. Just wait and check by frames. Look, check if the price is going down. Look, when we see the price is going down and couldn't or can't exceed this area, directly we are going to make selling trade. Okay? But in this exams, the selling is going so slowly because a lot of resistance. If you see in frame 5, for example, number 5, or as you say, but important thing, you want, when you check here, you must also check here. What's the meaning? Here, over 50. That's meaning the buy is still available, but around 50. No problem. Okay, look, here it's approximately 60. That means we are on the top of buying. As I told you, if the value of RSI is going near 70, that means the top of value of buying it's reached to the limit. And the selling starts here. You must make trade of selling. Look, resistance. This is in 5 minutes trade. Okay? Another thing, if you check the RSI, it's 58, and if you check the RSI line, it's around 50. From the first here to the here to here, it's around 50, up or down, no problem. So that means we are now in buying 57 approximately. Yes, we are in buying, but the price reached to resistant area and couldn't exceed it. So that means the price will go down. And if you see the profit, it's 9 now. Okay? With time, just I will show you, you will think, oh my God, the profit is going down. Now it's 5, it's minus. Believe me, you must wait. Just wait your results. Wait your results. And see now, it's 6. The profit is going to 4. Oh my God. What's happening? What's happening? 2. I did this video and stopped it and continue it just to show you how the trading is going, because it takes more than maybe 20 minutes, I think, or 30 minutes. I'm sorry, maybe 20 minutes, because the trading in that time was so slow. But I'm showing you here that the RSI is 57. It's also in the highway, and the resistance value, sorry, the resistant area supported me, sorry, to take the decision and do selling trade. Now look, trading is still $6. What is the meaning of $6? You want to buy Pepsi or what? You will say, why? What is this? This is nothing. But wait and you'll find the result. Now look, it's coming for -3. Oh my God, you are losing. No, man. Believe me, trust me. If you do this way by my steps, you will not lose. Maybe I will not say it's perfect 100%, but for me, I found it better than other indicators because I didn't understand others, or maybe, or I don't know. This is my best way. Okay, look in 4 hours. I'm showing to you in 4 hours and 1 hours that more resistant here, more resistant. That's mean it starts selling. The candles of selling is shown. Oh my God, I'm going now. I'm going for maybe for getting profits, but still profit in minus. Don't think, just wait. Just wait. And at the same time, as I told you, you want to check the RSI. If RSI, just you want to know, if RSI still over like 50, 58, around this 60 or near 70, that's mean the resistance area it's full of buying. So the market is going down and you will see it. With time, you will find the RSI is going down also. If the RSI is going down, that means it's going as you want. You will get profits. But if the RSI is increased, that means the market will increase. So you must focus for two things. You want to put your eyes on RSI amounts and you want to check the resistance area or support area if the candle cross it or if the area resists candles and the candle is going down, and when you see the red candles, that means your strategy is going as you want. I will show you other thing just to understand. Look here, profit at minus, oh my God, -9. I don't care. But here, if you see, if you study, if you study about the candles, you will understand what is the meaning of this candle. I will show you again. I'm sorry, here I changed or did just to understand. This is the line of resistant line. If you see like the resistant area, no problem. If you see here, this is candle, this is doji. This is show to you, and this is two doji. You see, this is help you to understand that the price will have something. It will change. That is the net of thing. It will change, and if you see here, zigzags is created, but in high frame, you will see that the red candle is starting is to show more, and you will find resistance still because of the profit around zero. Wait a time. Wait time. Okay, I will show you now. I will increase the video and I will show you. Look, with time, what happened? Look what happened. This is hammer. This is hammer candle. And it will show you that the price will go down. Look to profit. It's increasing now. It's going to increase. Yes, it was 22. Now it's 11. Oh my God. No, don't worry. Just wait, man. Believe me. Wait. 12, 17. Look. 19. I will show you what happened. 20. That's mean the price is going down. So my decision for selling here was perfect. But now I will give you the trick. When you want to close this order, it is so important. You must understand this trick. When you remember, we prepared or we created all of resistant areas for 1 minute or for 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, as you want. And we forgot to talk about this. This is also resistant area. This is resistant area and other one above. So when you find the candles reach to the Bollinger Band, any line for Bollinger Band, for the line on the center, for this line or for this line, if you find the candles cross the moving average in the center or the resistant line, variable resistant line, that means continue your trend and you will find, look, it's 50 now, $50 for one trade, one size. Just I did one size and I got $51. So it's important to check here. You want to follow the trends. Sorry, you want to check the frame and see if the candle exceed, you see? The candle exceed the resistant line. Sorry, supported line. That means it will increase to go down until to the next of the supported line. This is the trick. You must understand it. This is the trick for this strategy. That's mean, look, it's crossed the moving average, supported line, and going down, down. And you will find the profit finally. I will show you the profit here. It's 51. It was 53 around $53. Okay? So important to know that if the candles crossed these lines that you prepared for the fixed line or fixed areas or Bollinger Band lines, that means you can continue your trend. But if the reflection of candles is going, stop your trend. If you see the candles reach to here and reflect to up, you must stop your trend. Now I will show you the next. Quickly, I will show you the next trend in same time. I'm sorry, in same after maybe 1 or 2 hours. If you see the previous one, I will show you this one. This is for the same, but for AUD USD. Look here. First step. Look, when the candles reach to the resistant area, this is the resistant area, but I draw it like line. It is as you like, but it's better to draw it as an area. It's no problem. This is the resistant area. This is here. Okay. If you see in high frame, the candles or the candles can't exceed this line. Look, and in the short period, you will find the red candles or the selling candles is grow. With time, look here, before, I'm sorry, but I will show you from the beginning of the video, the profit was 23 from the first time. And with time, if you see, the profit is going down, up, going down, up. But when you exceed this line for your trend value, here, for your price, you will find your profit increase. This profit increased, if you see, and with time, as I told you, you must focus. You want to look for the RSI. It is above 50. It's 57 and it will go down. Look, 55. That's mean still buying, but no problem. It's around 55. That's mean it's around selling. It's nearest for selling. But in 70, if it's near 70, that's mean you still don't go in. Just wait for the reflect of candles. With time, look here, the profit reached to 65. Here, that's mean you got 120, sorry, approximately $115 just for 2 trades, fast trade. And each trade didn't exceed 20 minutes. Do you see? This is the perfect for me. I don't know for you. If you like this video, please subscribe this video and do like, press like, and give me beautiful comments like happy birthday or as you want. And I hope you understood what I said. And as I told you again and again and again, you can study about the Bollinger Band, about the candles, about the resistance and support areas, and RSI indicator. This is strategy for me, it's perfect. And before I'm going to finish this video, I'm talking about again about the resistance. Okay, here we go back just to give you the net of things, all of things. That's just to know. This is, for example, if you see, look here, we are in actual trend. Quickly, we are in actual trend. 30 minutes. Look here. If you see, that's the candles. The candles. Look, if you see that the candles exceed the resistant area, that means don't try to sell. Don't try to do order of selling. You will lose. But that means buying is still. And if you see here, it's approximately more than 50. It's going to grow. Okay? It's and the trend, if you see the trend line, it's going up. Okay? Finally, again, and sorry for delaying, but just I'm telling you, focus when you do this trend, sorry, when you do this strategy, after doing all of things, just focus in RSI through your trend, focus in RSI. Look, RSI is going under 50, going to 30. That means the selling is a start. You will understand that the selling is a start, that's your trend is going down. Wow, your selling is going perfect. But if this RSI is go up, that means if you are selling, you will lose. But if go down, if you are buying, sorry, if you go down, it's going. If the RSI is going down, that means your selling is perfect, and the opposite for buying. Okay, thank you very much for follow my videos. I'm sorry my video. I'm sorry for delay. I tried to explain everything about this strategy. This strategy I did it with actual. If you see, I did it with actual trading, just to show you. You can learn it. For example, by method trade 4 or 5, you can make demo account, and you can find, for example, you will get 100,000 fake dollars, and you can do some training about this strategy. After that, you can do it by your real money. Thank you very much again. Don't forget to subscribe my video and do like with beautiful comment from you. Thank you.